Hello students, welcome to my channel Kare. And today in this session we download one software. It is very useful and it is free software available in the site openoffice.org. So it is for standard 11 and how to download and install Apache OpenOffice 4.1.10. It is the latest version. We write a site name is openoffice.org. When you write this site and press enter key, it will display this website. And released Apache OpenOffice 4.1.10. This is website. Just click, it will display this the Apache software foundation. And when you scroll it, and here just click on this option here. Click, it will display these options. Download to Apache OpenOffice for Windows operating system and select your favorite operating system, language and version. First click on Windows, Linux or OS X. Right? After that languages and the versions are given. This one is the latest version 4.1.10. Click and download full installation, and it will within few seconds it will start downloading. So wait for a few seconds, and according to the speed of your internet it will start downloading, and wait for download. And this download, it is displayed in the download folder. Click on it. After that this icon is displayed. Double click. When you double click, it will display this message, OpenOffice 4.1.10 setup. Just click on the next, and next write your username, organization name, and click on next. Install typical option and create shortcut, and next. So this way you download this openoffice.org. Click on finish and minimize it. Okay, here on the desktop it will display openoffice.org. Double click, it will display this message, welcome message. Write first name, last name, initials, and click on finish. So it will display main screen, OpenOffice text documents, spreadsheets, presentation, drawings, database, formula. We learn in detail one by one.